Hey everybody, remember this fancy boat? The racing boat? Well, they was racing, I guess, this weekend, and then I guess he was pulling in somewhere. But there was a parked boat or anchored boat, and he ran into it and broke the nose of this one. Broke the nose off. There's a hole there. I don't know if they just cut that now to patch it up and do a sturdy job or what. But anyway, so this is basically, see, they put bamboo here. And this bamboo is pretty strong here, but I would use the Lawan or mahogany is the strongest and the most water resistant. But that's also the most expensive. But it's not expensive here. You can get mahogany reasonably cheap, if you ask me. I mean, it's rough cut, so if you want it finished, I mean, they can precision cut it to whatever size you want. If you tell them you want it 2 1/8 inches thick and 4 1/4 inches wide, they'll mill it for you right there on the spot. What's really nice about here, because everything you can have custom made. But don't expect to ever get anything or very much stuff that's precision made. If you go by, find 2x4s that are 3.5 by 1.5, that's just American size, finished lumber, and expect it to all be that size. It won't be. It'll be random. But so anyway, the tip of this goes up like that to a point, so that got knocked off, and didn't look like it got too much damage really. Just kind of knocked off the tip. I think it just broke off the tip, and I think, like I said, that this under part here, the hole in the nose, that would be bad because water is just going to come right in. But you can see the saw blade marks where he cut this off, so I think he did that to affect the repair work. And here's another boat. I don't know who painted this one, if this is one that's new or one that was older. I think it's an older one. But this is racing here. It's all ready to rock. And again, that's where the engine mounts in there. And they align that engine perfectly with the propeller shaft. They really do a great job aligning it. And the engine mount has little slots where you can move it forward, back, twist it some to get it lined up. So also see this little notch or this little box on the side of the boat right there? That is because the engine is wider than the hull. So the carburetor and stuff probably sticks in that hole, or the valve cover, one of those two sticks in that hole there for the width. I actually like the way those look if they're accented and stuff. Look like you got an air scoop on the side, but you don't. It's just a bump to so your engine fits. So anyway, we will be back with more. Don't crash your boat, and if you race your boat and the engine's too wide, just cut a hole and make a little scoopy thing on the side, and it'll actually look good, and your engine will fit. Paradise.